So the last episode we stopped here at Kanthanpara Dam, and today again we are going to start. We'll see the next tourist places. Right? We are going to see. Now we are moving from Kanthanpara Dam. We have enjoyed adventure sites like zip line, then trampoline one.
Bungee trampoline.
Yes. So
Yeah, it
we
will
can
be
go.
fun. Let's check.
We can go to the next tourist place. Come on. So guys, we are gonna go to Edakkal Cave, I think so we can see. And everyone is tired after climbing the steps. Locations. So guys, we reached the Edakkal Caves and we are about to go enter this main entrance. So guys, from the entrance we have to go 1 kilometer to the cave. Guys, they all are tired after going about 1 kilometer of hill. Now we have to go about 350 steps more to reach the cave. So guys, we entered that area and we are going to go 350 stairs to caves. And they are saying they will count each steps and check whether it's 350. Then they told 2 caves are there. Let's see, we can visit there. He started counting. So we have reached finally. Entered the cave. It's so big cave, and this is the Edakkal Cave. You can see many scriptures and artworks on the stones. We are going back. You can see full Wayanad from here. So guys, it's so steep for us there. Look guys, we are all going in between of rocks and my leg my legs got cramps. I can't move anymore. So we are going to exit this region.
Now Ashu's leg has been injured.
At last guys, we came to the main entrance part. After going so much, it took 2 to 3 hours to come back.
You guys.
So we are going to our next location, Kanthanpara Waterfalls.
Yay.
So I hope there also it would be beautiful. There will be more beautiful scenes there.
But I don't want to walk.
They are tired by walking to Edakkal Caves. So guys, we have reached Kanthanpara Waterfalls. So guys, we are at the entrance of Kanthanpara Waterfalls. and it's been said that we can't get into the water due to the situation of COVID. See, this is a part of waterfalls. Here it's bit flat as compared to this side caves. No hills and slopes are there, and this is a view from the water is going from here to there. I think height is here and the bottom part is at that end where we are going, so water will fall from here. This is the place where the water is falling, so we'll go to the bottom part and I'll show you. So guys, this is the Kanthanpara Waterfalls. So beautiful view. Guys, this is the near screen. You can see waterfalls from there till there. Not that too big waterfalls, small. Guys, we are going back to our resort. This is all for this today. So we'll see other places tomorrow. And that is all from Kanthanpara Waterfalls. So it's the third day at the Sterling Wayanad resort. So yesterday we went to Edakkal Caves and Kanthanpara Waterfalls. So we will end this episode by this itself, and in next episode we will see, means today we will see many other 2-3 more places, and after that we are going back to our hometown Kannur. So this is the trip of Wayanad. So we'll see in the next episode.